Welcome back to MP Maintenance. Well, today what I have to show you is this 3-inch adjustable flapper. This one's a Fluid Master, and these last about 5 years. They're kind of somewhat chemical resistant now. Things like, see, it's chlorine resistant. The drop-in tablets will lower the life of the flapper as well as the seals in the toilet, especially if it's on a toilet that doesn't get flushed very often. But the nice thing about this particular one is it's adjustable here. You see these numbers on it, and it's adjustable for different flow rates. And there's this chart on the back. What I have is a Glacier Bay, and the setting needs to be at 3, and it even gives the chain length 9.07 inches, so it kind of lets you know what to trim your chain length to. So that's pretty neat. And then this setting should be at 3. So let's see how we rotate this deal. Let's see, just plus or minus, looks like. So we just rotate it down to 3, which is right here. There we go. Not the best light in here, but there it is, and that's the proper flapper setting for a Glacier Bay. Which is also sometimes seasons. So Glacier Bay seasons, I believe, would be at 3. Now you can adjust this for more flow or less flow. It's got this silicone seal, and it's a long life seal deal. Just got to put it on, and a nice, fast, easy deal. Okay, and adjusting for the chain length, my Leatherman is 9 inches, so 9.5 inches. Should be perfect, right about there. 9.5 inches. And here it is installed in the toilet. I was actually installing it which was actually a Gerber and not a Glacier Bay. So I had to change the setting to a 6 and adjust the chain length to, I think, around 6.09 inches, something like that. But it just left, you can see the bit of slack there, about a 1/2 inch of slack in the chain. And that's it. Nice, easy deal. This one just clips onto the flush valve, whereas the other kind looped around. And the other kind was maybe only 3 months old, but you can see the chlorine tablet in the back there, or the toilet tablet that helps keep things clean. Well, those deteriorate the seals a lot faster, but and it pretty much ate through the other one really fast. So I was glad to get something a little bit more robust. This Fluid Master one should last a bit longer. It won't last forever with that, especially with the tank treatment there, but it will last a lot longer than what was there. So I'll try to put a link in the description to this particular flapper if it's something you need. But at least it's something you can be aware of if you have different toilets on a property or whatnot. It's nice to know. These use a 3-inch flush valve on this particular toilet, which is what a lot of the newer low flow toilets use. And so it's engineered different than the standard toilet flappers are 2 inches, and this one's a 3-inch flapper.